if nothing works on the driver's door of a 2008 Buick Lucerne and you have already checked fuses, relays, and even circuit breakers and have not resorted to buying a driver's door control module, check the wiring in the door. This is the most commonly used door on the car, and so wiring can sometimes break or crack in this area. So remove the bellows here by just peeling and popping that out. On the other side, you're going to need to use a flathead screwdriver to pop that one out. And then you can see here, this red wire actually has already been repaired. So that's a good clue. Press the tab on the top of this connector here to just remove it and then unplug. And then you're going to need to peel the bellows off of this connector assembly here as well. So we can then inspect all the other wires. And I have multiple wires that are broken. There are 2 black wires there, as well as a tan and red striped wire that is completely broken as well. So I'm gonna have to repair these. I wanted to solder them, but I ended up using pinch connectors as the soldering iron was not working for me. So this is not the prettiest repair. I would rather have soldered this, but in this case I'm gonna use these little pinch connectors. So I repaired these 3 wires. This one was severed, this one was cracked, and this one was completely severed as well, this brown or tan and red. So I'm gonna put this back together and plug it back in, see if it works. And we are back in business. All right, moment of truth. Oh, my dome lights are on. But look, something's working. Oh, I turned these on, I think. Oh, that's right. There we go. All right, so it works. So that's how you fix if you have a driver's window or a driver's door where nothing works on the door, it's very likely just broken wires inside. And I guess this is just a weak point on these cars, that the wiring after 16 years, something like that, just gets brittle, I guess, and breaks. So I would rather have soldered those wires, but it's just, I'm not that great at soldering. I did try to, but my soldering iron, because of an extension cord, wasn't able to get enough heat. So just check for broken wires, and you may not be able to see every time if the wire is broken. Mine were more obvious, thankfully, but that's the solution here. If you are replacing, quick note, a driver's or a passenger or any of the Windows switches on this model year GM, you can't buy one off eBay and just have it work. It's not plug and play. You do have to plug it in, and then you need a scan tool, kind of like this guy, this X tool. You're gonna need something similar to this to go ahead and program the new Windows switch with the car. So it's not just plug and play, just so you know if you buy one.